Ever wondered why 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 9, not 1? It all depends on one golden rule that decides which operation comes first. Let's uncover the real secret behind the order of operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are called operations. If a problem has more than one operation, the order of operations determines which operation should be performed first and which one should follow. To easily remember the order of operations, the BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule is used. Both BODMAS and PEMDAS are fundamentally the same, so whichever rule you choose, the solution should be accurate. The BODMAS is usually used in the British curriculum while the PEMDAS is used in the American curriculum, but both stand for the same set of rules and give the same result. The BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, the order of operation should be B for brackets, O for order or power, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Note that if multiplication or division appears consecutively, the operation that appears first should be performed. Similarly, if addition or subtraction appears consecutively, the operation that appears first should be performed. The PEMDAS rule. According to the PEMDAS rule, the order of operation should be P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Just like the BODMAS rule, if multiplication or division appear consecutively, perform the first one to appear. Let's consider a number of examples. Work out 2 plus 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4. The operations are addition and multiplication. Multiplication comes first. 6 multiplied by 3 gives 18, then 2 plus 18 plus 4 gives 24. Work out 2 plus 6 divided by 3 plus 4. The operations are addition and division. Division comes first. 6 divided by 3 gives 2. Then 2 plus 2 plus 4 gives 8. Work out open bracket 2 plus 6, close bracket multiplied by open bracket 3 plus 4, close bracket. The operations are brackets and multiplication. Brackets come first. 2 plus 6 gives 8, and 3 plus 4 gives 7. Then 8 multiplied by 7 gives 56. Work out open bracket 6 minus 2, close bracket, divided by open bracket 3 plus 1, close bracket. We work out the brackets first. 6 minus 2 gives 4, and 3 plus 1 gives 4. Then 4 divided by 4 gives 1. Work out 3 multiplied by 4 to the power 2. The operations are multiplication and power. Power comes first. 4 to the power 2 gives 16. Then 3 multiplied by 16 gives 48. Work out 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Multiplication and division appear consecutively, so we perform the first one to appear. Division comes first. 6 divided by 2 gives 3. Then 3 multiplied by 3 gives 9. Work out 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. Here multiplication appears first. 6 multiplied by 2 gives 12. Then 12 divided by 3 gives 4. Work out 3 plus 5 minus 2. Addition and subtraction appear consecutively. Addition comes first. 3 plus 5 gives 8. Then 8 minus 2 gives 6. Work out 3 minus 5 plus 2. Subtraction appears first. 3 minus 5 gives negative 2. Then negative 2 plus 2 gives 0. To recap, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are operations. When a problem has more than one operation, the BODMAS or PEMDAS rule determines the order. Both are fundamentally the same, so whichever you choose, your answer will be accurate. Mathematics isn't just about solving, it's about solving in the right order. Master the rule, and you master the logic behind every equation. Now that you've mastered the order of operations, it's time to take your skills into fractions. In the next video, we'll explore addition and multiplication of fractions made simple, visual, and unforgettable. Stay tuned. Stay curious.